Hey guys, we're going to do an unboxing video on what all comes in the box for the 2-inch Kooks headers and these connecting pipes, so you know exactly what you're buying, and I'll tell you where to get them at the same time. Let's see what's all in here. Alright, so looks like the packaging is done pretty well, not bad. Okay, there's one connecting pipe. And there's two. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, first things first is, looks like, it says included in this package is gasket set, bolt kit, O2 extension, thermal tape, heat shroud, 3-inch ball and socket clamp, and detailed instructions. Looks pretty nice. Alright. Well, there we are. Right there. Alright, so that's one. What's really cool is you can see the logo on there. You can see, it doesn't say Kooks on it, it says CSP, which is Complete Street Performance. So they have actually partnered with Kooks and have made their own set of headers to their spec. So this is their 2-inch CSP made by Kooks headers. So let me show you what all comes in the package so you can see it in person. So this is a brief shot of everything that's there. Now, kind of give you an idea and breakdown of what's here. We've got both 2-inch long headers, long tube headers, excuse me. Comes with obvious instructions, thermal heat tape here and here. It's got brand new hardware and bolts to put in your headers. You know, it goes right here in each one of these bolt holes. We've got two band clamps, and we've got two swivel seal clamps. We've got new gaskets for the headers, which I spoke with them, and honestly they still recommend the GM normal style gaskets, not these. We have a O2 extension for the O2 sensors, a little sticker there, and then we've got the connecting pipes that connect to the stock exhaust, or in my case, my Corsa MPP catback. So it's going to connect right there to the X pipe. So we should get some serious sound out of this setup, and some pretty good gains from what I've been looking and seeing. So anyway, that's what comes on it. Next is going to be the install video. You guys stay tuned, and I will see you on the next one.